Committee members heard an update on the Alameda Lane repurposing project, and the city's attorney's office gave an update on their prosecution enforcement. Here's what happened this week on The Gavel, your weekly Denver City Council wrap-up. The Transportation Committee got an update on the Alameda Lane repurposing project. The Department of Transportation and Infrastructure, or DOTI, briefed committee members on the project, which has seen major changes to a previously approved design. The original plan would have turned the 4-lane road into 2 lanes with a center turning lane and more space between the street and the curb, potentially making it safer for pedestrians. Now, the plan is to turn 1 westbound lane into a turn lane and keep 2 eastbound lanes fully open.
We have a commitment to sitting and engaging and listening. And then we take that information and we also go back and assess about whether or not it has, I'm going to say, validity and something that we should be considering and looking at as we work to try to achieve the goals of the project. And that is always the focus in the analysis.
Some neighborhood residents said changing both lanes could push cars into smaller side streets, making traffic worse. Proponents of the original plan wanted to see more room for pedestrians and multimodal transportation.
I get all the pro-con emails, but we have to weigh them. And I think that's the biggest concern here, is what emails are we weighing? Is it the person that's home got ran into? Or is it the person who's getting inconvenienced by a few minutes?
I think the only way to do it is to put the full repurposing in play and analyze. We may find out it was a badly crafted plan. I don't know. But for me, that's the only way to regain full public trust.
The Health and Safety Committee got an update from the City Attorney's Prosecution and Code Enforcement Team known as PACE. It handles all the municipal cases filed in court, traffic violations, juvenile court, and domestic violence cases. PACE also manages all domestic violence cases from initial victim contact, the court process, and safety planning.
Denver is known nationally for our response to domestic violence. We started getting national grants back in, I want to say 2021. And it's because of the collaboration that we have with the District Attorney's Office, the fact that we prosecute cases at the state level and at the municipal level. And it's because of our collaboration with our community-based partners.
They work with offenders too, providing education and support to prevent reoffending in the future. The office is seeing a rise in the number of cases it manages, from about 12,500 in 2023 to over 14,000 last year. The team is also in the community, working to clean up neighborhoods, giving kids a chance to see the Justice Department in action, and working with people to help solve neighborhood problems. Check out the website to find all the details of how the PACE team helps throughout the city. You can find links to City Council meetings, schedules, agendas, events, and news at denvergov.org/citycouncil. Denver City Council meets every Monday at 3:30 at the City and County Building Council Chambers, or tune in live on Denver 8 or Zoom. Be sure to follow us on X, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram for Denver news, events, and information.